Tim Mariello here, fitness and supplement expert. Today, I want to talk to you about concentrated whey protein and other types of whey. I'm going to let you know all that's important regarding this supplement. Now, if you started training today and you go to the gym and you ask your instructor or other people, chances are the first supplement that they will recommend is whey protein. With absolute certainty of all the supplements that may exist for those that lift weights, whey protein is wildly the most consumed. See in this video what you really need to know about this supplement. What is whey protein? Well, briefly, whey protein is a supplement made from buttermilk. And if you don't know, this protein is extracted from a portion of milk during the cheese making process. From the 1970s, scientists began to test the properties of whey. And today, evidence shows that whey protein, in addition to its high biological value, has bioactive peptides, which act as microbial agents, antihypertensives, regulators of immune function, as well as aid in the growth and hormone production factors of the body. From a nutritional point of view, whey protein is considered of high biological value because it contains all the amino acids, including essential amino acids, meeting human needs. Because of its amino acid profile, whey protein has excellent digestibility and absorption. Whey protein helps increase muscle mass in individuals who exercise regularly through a process known as the opportunity window, in which there are perfect conditions for muscles to be more receptive to nutrients, providing greater absorption of nutrients such as the amino acids of whey protein. Generally, the composition of whey protein supplements are accompanied by some carbohydrates, and this inclusion has a motive. For hypertrophy or increase of muscle mass, protein administration is recommended along with carbohydrates, because the release of insulin caused by carbohydrates helps in the transportation of glucose and amino acids into the cells, and consequently a higher percentage in the production of energy, sparing also the muscle fibers and stimulating the protein synthesis, and that is the increase of lean mass, the muscles. For muscle mass production, essential amino acids are required in the body. So whey protein has a high protein value, which is ideal for muscle hypertrophy. In addition, whey protein provides muscle rehabilitation, diminishes the perception of fatigue and pain, and assists in the availability of energy needed for the entire workout. Also improves overtraining, which is excessive training. Besides all this, we can say that whey protein, besides helping you gain muscle, still contributes to your health. Another very important factor is to choose a proven and certified whey protein. American Farms whey proteins are American branded products with unique formulas manufactured within strict standards of the international quality and produced with Glanbia's raw material. Glanbia, in case you didn't know, is simply one of the best whey suppliers in the world. Other big brands like Optimum Nutrition and BSN use Glanbia's raw material. And I believe another factor that's extremely important to you is to know that American Farms whey protein ingredients are non-GMO, meaning they do not have genetically modified ingredients. And not only that, American Farms whey protein and all other supplements of the line use US approved dyes. That means that cochineal dyes are not used, which is a dye produced from an insect. That's right. If no one has warned you, I'm doing it now. This dye has already been banned in several countries. Red amaranth, red erythrocene, red poncial 4R, or yellow tartrazine, also banned in several countries for being suspected of causing cancer, are also not used. Always check on the supplement label if none of these dyes are listed in the ingredient list. I'm going to talk to you about some types of whey protein from American Farm. Whey proteins differ by the type of whey they use, and each type of whey passes through different microfiltration and ultrafiltration processes. These processes are what determine the final composition of the product. I will highlight three types: concentrated, isolated, and hydrolyzed whey protein. Concentrated whey protein is the most widely used, obtained through the filtration of milk, resulting in an average of 65 to 80% of protein. In this type of product, there is a partial removal of carbohydrates and fat and, as a consequence, reduction of lactose. Isolated whey protein, when compared to concentrated, has a much higher amount of protein due to its filtration process through ion exchange and difiltration. This results in about 90% protein at dosage with fat and carbohydrates in small proportion. Isolated whey protein is also a great choice for anyone looking for lower calorie ingestion, eliminating fatty tissue, and losing weight. A great choice is American Farms 100% isolated whey protein, which, as its name says, is made from whey alone. Hydrolyzed whey protein. In this type of whey protein, whey passes through a process called hydrolysis, a process in which the protein is reduced in size where it is partially or completely hydrolyzed, resulting in free tripeptides, dipeptides, or amino acids. In this method, its composition presents chains of broken proteins in smaller segments called peptides. As a characteristic, it has good digestibility and low allergenic potential, and may contain up to 98% of peptides in the product ready for consumption. Therefore, if you have any kind of allergy to whey or digestion problems, this is the right product for you. In addition to these, you'll also find blends, which are combinations of whey types, such as American Farms 3-Whey or American Farms 5-Whey. And that was today's review. Hopefully you now have more information to buy whey protein and make a good choice.